Okay, guys. So I think we should just do a psychological trader talk. I don't know, guys. If you've not watched my video for last week, please do want to watch my previous video for last week. Trading last week actually taught me something. Like I realized that the major aspect of trading that would determine if you will become a successful forex trader is actually how much you believe in yourself. Personally, for me, I would say my lesson for last week was my ability to believe in myself. As a forex trader, self-belief is the only thing that would sustain you and keep you going when the chips are down. I don't know if you get the point I'm trying to make. If you watch my previous video from last week, you realize that I took only just one trade and I held that trade for 3 good days. Bro, see guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a swing trader. Basically, I'm a day trader. But because of the time frame from which I take my trades from the 1 hour time frame, okay? I don't do anything below the 1 hour. So most times there's every possibility that if I enter a trade, I might just swing trade it till the next day. Then before it either hits my SL or hits my TP. But last week trade was one of the longest I've ever held a trade for 3 good days, guys. Like, see, you guys, you will not really understand if you've not been in that situation whereby you really want to start doing good in the market as fast as you want, but you just have to be slow with the market. If you've not been in that condition before, you might not be able to relate with what I'm about to say. But for me, last week was a whole lot. Like it showed me that self-belief in forex trading is everything. Like whatever it is you claim to have learned from online or from a mentor or from the course you bought from somebody, if you still don't have self-belief in what you're doing, bro, there's every possibility that you might not become a better, consistent, profitable forex trader. That's just the truth. Like me holding that trade for 3 good days, it's like it exposed a lot of things about me as a forex trader. But one major thing that it exposed that I so much loved is it showed how much I believe in myself. See, most of you that are watching these videos, and you see the reason why you're yet to be successful, why you're yet to be consistently profitable, is because you don't even believe in yourself in the first place. You don't even trust what you're doing. If one mentor out there, someone you place on high esteem, if he does not tell you your analysis is right, you don't believe your analysis is right. See, in forex trading, like I would always say, forex trading is a well you have to dig on your own. You see, the profitability aspect of forex trading, that aspect, that work, nobody will do it for you. You see, no matter how much you subscribe to various signal groups, I can tell you, I don't need to even tell you, you've experienced it yourself. And there are a whole lot of you watching this video, you've subscribed to a whole lot of um, forex trading signals. And haven't you noticed that regardless of the fact that you've done it for like 4 months, 3 months, 2 months, you're still not consistent? That's to tell you that the profitability aspect of FX trading is something you have to do and master by yourself. And that is why I don't get deceived. As much as I believe that you can learn from people that have gone ahead of you, see, that profitability you're seeking, nobody can hand it over to you. It's an experience you have to encounter yourself. I think that's the right word to use. Profitability in FX trading is an experience you have to encounter personally. You have to bump into it personally and intentionally. See, there has to be an intention first, and you have to make moves to get there. Why am I bringing up this topic? Like as I said earlier, I held that trade. If you watch the video, you'd see that I held that trade for 3 days before it finally hit TP. Bro, see, the thing is, most of us, we want a situation whereby once you enter a trade, you want the market to go straight. Let's say a buy, you want the market to just go straight to TP. And that is where we miss it. I used to have that mentality. Like when I see, people posting pictures of how they would enter a trade, sniper entry. The market will just come, tap into that level and go straight to TP. I used to think that is how the market would always respond. Bro, when I now started exposing myself to the market and trade, I saw that that's not only the reality of trading. See, the market, if you don't take anything from this video, especially you, a newbie trader watching this video, or an advanced trader still struggling watching this video, let this mindset build you up. The Forex market does not go in a straight line. See, whenever you enter a trade, once your mindset is already conditioned in such a way whereby you expect the market to test your patience, you will hardly be an unstable forex trader. It's just a matter of time. Your psychology will become stronger, better, and more stable. When you enter a trade, this is the right mindset to have. Don't expect the market to go straight to TP. That is the mindset of every newbie forex trader. As a matter of fact, you can be in the FX market for 5-6 years and you still have that mindset. It will still keep you in one spot. I used to think that way. That once I enter a trade, the next thing I want to see is straight to TP. I realize that real trading does not work that way. Once you enter a trade, the mindset you should have is this trade will test my patience. It will test my intelligence. It will test my risk appetite. It will test a whole lot of things about you before going to SL or go to TP. That is one mindset that's the mindset profitable forex traders have, that makes them different from newbie traders, that makes them different from struggling FX traders. I don't know if you're getting the point. Now, personally for me, holding trade for 3 days is something I'm not really used to. But I realized that the fact that I could hold that trade and not add unnecessary positions to the trade, I only added just one position to that trade. It was a buy setup. I'll put the screenshot somewhere for you guys to see. The fact that I realized that I was able to hold that trade and not add unnecessary positions and not close out in loss when the market came back to even below my entry level before reversing up again the second time to my predicted direction. That was the point I knew that I've really started making progress. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make. See, you see FX, you have to expose yourself to the market and allow the market teach you practically. As much as I agree that there's a lot mentorship will do for you, see, but there is something about the market that it does. The forex market is your best teacher. I don't know if somebody heard what I just said. The FX market, you always making yourself available to the chart, is the best mentorship ever you can get. Worst case scenario, you can start with demo, but you see, mentorship, real mentorship, is you and the market. Allow the market teach you. And that is why I love this fact about the forex market. No matter how much you've learned from somebody, the market will still teach you practically. Like, even if you've learned money management, when you come to the chart, the market will teach you by experience. There must be that mistake where you would want to over risk and the market will take you out. And you feel that pain, especially when you lose money, especially when you're trading with a live account. When you lose money, that is the market teaching you. That is the market molding you, mentoring you in real time, realistically. Whatever it is, whoever taught you FX taught you. I can tell you, bro, that's just the theory aspect of it. Where the work lies in, where the real training comes in, is when you interface with the market one-on-one. That is why, if you're one that easily gives up, like any small thing, you don't quit, you're easily discouraged, Forex might not really be your thing. That's it, because I tell you for a fact, the market will test you. It will discourage you. I really had to do this video, not because I had much in mind to say, but just to share my experience as a forex trader, like I normally do on this channel, because I know somebody out there would learn one or two things and apply it to his or her trading career, and definitely you start seeing massive changes. It pains me, guys. It pains me that when I started this journey, I did not really come across videos like this that I'm doing now on YouTube, that exposed and showed me the reality of trading. What we saw was the flashy lifestyle of trading. What we saw was how that once you enter a trade, sniper entry straight. If you enter a buy setup, you would see 4 5 green candles that's going straight to TP. That was what we saw on YouTube, and it tempered with our psychology. And we came with that same mindset of any trade I enter must go straight to TP. Any trade I enter must go straight to TP. And unfortunately, we learned the hard way. But this is the reason why this channel is here, and this is the reason why I'm actually motivated to do this, so that you don't repeat most of the mistakes we made, so that you don't carry on with the wrong mindset that we had when we started the journey as forex traders. It's so painful to know that we have more of forex influencers that are not being honest to themselves. I know in forex trading there's a place for forex influencing, advertising, and all of that, but can we just be truthful to ourselves? This thing is not easy. Minus FX, tell me one good thing in life that comes easy. Nothing good comes easy, guys. And that's the reason why I'm making this video, to let you know that in forex trading, see, nothing substitutes hard work. You see that hard work aspect of it, nothing will substitute it for you. Nothing, not even relying on signal services. So one keynote I want you to take in this video is learn to believe in yourself. See, believe so much that you just know that you can't fail. That is the only way you can be profitable. That is the only way you can get to that level where you're already dreaming to get to at the very shortest period of time. And if you're the type that needs somebody to motivate you, Oga, you're not ready for this thing. You're not ready. I didn't have anybody to motivate me. I saw videos of people showing the FX lifestyle and everything. To some extent, those videos motivated me, but those are not really the foundation to which I've laid to build up the hope that I have in this journey that I've already started. Because no matter how much Forex lifestyle videos you watch, when you fund your MC5 and the market takes you out, perhaps you over risk, you use the wrong lot size, or you so much believed in that setup that it's not going to fail, and the market takes you out and blows your account the first time, the second time, the third time, bro. You see those videos you've watched before, all of those things you call motivation. Maybe you saw somebody buying a Lamborghini and you're like, oh wow, this thing works, I can do it. When you blow your several accounts, real funds, that's when you would know if you were really motivated or not. And that is why I'll keep on saying that the best motivation you can give yourself is you. You are the motivation. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make. So personally for me, last week taught me that self-belief is everything. Just believe that you can do it. If other people are doing it, why can't you do it? But you must put in the work. You must keep showing up every day. That is the only way you can grow into becoming a better FX trader. See, you see this FX thing, there are levels to growth in forex trading. No matter how good you think you are, if you've actually been tracking your progress, you see that there are levels to this thing. There are levels to this thing. You don't just grow into becoming a forex trader, becoming a profitable, consistent forex trader all of a sudden in a snap of a finger. It doesn't work that way. You go from level to level. See, a level comes in your FX trading career where you're not excited that tomorrow is Monday. I'm actually doing this recording on a Sunday. Okay. A time will come where trading days don't excite you anymore. A time will come where when entering trades will not excite you anymore. That is when you're beginning to become a mature forex trader. A time will come where you're not in a hurry to take trades, screenshot your wins, and show people that you're doing well. That is when you're becoming a mature forex trader. So as you can see, it's a whole lot of journey. It's a whole lot of journey. It's just painful that we don't see videos like this to tell us the truth. We see more of marketers. Everybody wanted to sell something. As much as I'm not against you doing a course and sell to somebody, but bro, let's tell these guys the truth. Let's tell these guys the truth. I think personally for me, if I'm asked, forex trading is one of the hardest skill sets you would want to learn. I'm not discouraging you, but it's one of the hardest, but it pays massively. See, if you can pay the price, if you can survive the ups and downs, if you can do well to have a ironclad mindset and belief and self-belief that I can do it no matter how much I feel, bro, it will reward you for life. And that's personally for me, that's the only motivation I have. I've blown several accounts, okay? I've had my own ups and downs, and I can tell you that it's not easy. It's not easy. In fact, a time will come, man, bro, you go online, go look for motivation, you know, see. You never blow, oh God. You guys, I don't know if you guys are relating. If you're relating what I'm saying, do what to drop a comment in the comment section. I don't know if you're getting the point. So I just thought to do this video to encourage somebody out there. One day the FX market will open again, and it will be another time to correct your mistakes and keep trying again. Stay calm. See, and this thing is not something you rush. I've realized that no matter how much you want to make everything at once, the end product is blowing off accounts, and the FX market will still be there. You will be the one struggling again to fund accounts. So why the rush? Why not just take it one step at a time and be good at this thing and profit from it? So this is all I have for you guys on this video. If this is your first time of watching my video, my name is Mike and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube. If you sort of love what I just said and videos like this on YouTube, please do want to subscribe to my channel. I'll be so much encouraged and happy to have you part of my team. Thank you very much. See you guys in my next video. Next week is another trading time. Let's do what to trade profitably. Keep doing the right thing, keep pushing, and see you at the top. Cheers, guys. Bye.